Please don't assume 4 points means you'll get in. I can tell you, this is cut-off point only shows how popular the school is.
The problem that a lot of people have is you do questions and you do questions and you don't review your mistakes, right? Review is important because review allows you to know where your gaps are.
As you're looking through the notes, always identify where's the topic, where's the issue, where's the complication, which part of the paragraph addresses all these things.
So if I want to find dy dx, this one I would use quotient rule, copy denominator, differentiate the numerator. So it'll be a cos x e to the sine x.